Hi, first graders and first grade families. It's Miss Rudolph here, and I'm in our classroom. I hope you guys had a great Friday, and I hope you are excited for a fun, hopefully wonderful weather, wonderful fun, wonderful time this weekend coming ahead. So I wanted to send you this quick video to let you know about a couple of things. So as you know, this week we started quarter 2. I cannot believe it. First quarter went so fast. So we just started a second quarter. Well, we were going to allow more students to come if they chose to on Wednesday and Thursday because our rooms are pretty full. Some of the families responded that they wanted to come this quarter. Well, right before the quarter started, we were having some families change their mind, obviously because we have some coronavirus cases rising, many different reasons for different families, okay? There were some transportation issues, many different things. So needless to say, before the quarter started, we thought we had this group and we had a plan. Well, that group slowly got smaller and smaller and smaller. So now we only have 4 friends in the entire first grade, Miss Brown's class and Miss Rudolph's class, coming second quarter. So Miss Brown and I talked, and then we went and talked to Mrs. Miller, and both her and I have enough room and space on Monday and Tuesday to make room for those 4 students. So, anyways, we talked with Mrs. Miller, we talked with those 4 families, everybody was on board. So, starting Monday, November 9th, those kiddos that they thought were going to come Wednesday and Thursday, they're actually going to come Monday and Tuesday. So, for first quarter, Miss Brown and I are only going to have one full group coming on Monday and Tuesday, and then we can focus on everybody else learning from home Wednesday, Thursday, Friday right now. This probably will change third quarter because now Miss Brown and Miss Rudolph's room on Monday and Tuesday are completely full. There's no more room for students. So if anyone chooses to come back third quarter, we will have to have those kiddos come on Wednesday and Thursday, and we will make do. If it's a small group, it's a small group. If it's a bigger group, it's a bigger group. We will make do. But we just wanted to make sure that those 4 kiddos had the opportunity to be socializing with more kids than just 3 other kiddos. And we also wanted to make sure that we were also giving our online students enough attention as well. So, again, just to confirm, we do have a tier 2 group, and they are coming Monday and Tuesday. Everybody else right now is going to be learning from home Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, just based on the numbers of families that want to be here on Monday and Tuesday in group in tier 2. So what that means is starting next week, we had to work out all the details this week. It was a busy week figuring things out. But what this means is we will be able to start picking up small groups again, which I am so, so, so thankful for. So that means you guys already know your small group schedule with me, okay? So that means starting next Wednesday, whoever saw me on Wednesday is going to see me Wednesday again at 12. And then I had 2 groups on Thursday and I had 2 groups on Friday, okay? That way we keep that kind of the same. I think that was working really well and getting better each time we did it. So I'm excited about that. I am going to keep my office hours Monday and Tuesday, Monday through Thursday, 2:30 to 3:30, so I don't confuse things. So if you need any help with technology, if you're confused on an assignment, different things like that, I will have office hours that you can log into the Zoom Monday through Thursday, 2:30 to 3:30. Okay? And then on Friday, I'm going to keep my office hours 9:30 to 10:30. All right. So I hope that does not confuse things. I know there's been a lot of changes. And again, I'm so thankful for all your kindness and patience during this time. But we do think that this move was for the best because now I get to start my small groups back up again with my tier 3 friends. I can also see my tier 2 friends when they're at home. I'll have time to check in with my tier 3 friends on Monday and Tuesday. It is just the best of both worlds for right now. Again, please know third quarter will be starting towards the end of January, and so there probably will be some changes. So let me know that you watch this video. There have been some changes with other small groups because they have more kids coming in the upper grades. So what I'm going to do is I've been confirming small group times for like Mrs. Weiner and Mrs. Minard and Mrs. Warris. So what I'm going to do is update that sheet that I sent out at the beginning of this quarter with all your small group times. I'm going to update that and send that sometime this weekend. You'll definitely have it by Sunday. That way, starting next week, you know the small group times for everything that you have. I encourage you to print that out and hang it on your fridge. That way you know when to go. Maybe take a picture of it with your phone. That way you can pull it up as well. Very easy. So that way you can get on a routine because I really want them to come to their small group times. But I do also know that it has been confusing. Some kids see multiple small groups and there's been some changes. So I know it's confusing. So bear with me. I am going to update that list and you will have it by Sunday night. That way Monday you'll be good to go. But I am so thankful and so excited that I can start my small groups back up. That way I get a little more time with all of my kids, tier 2 and tier 3. All right, friends, thank you so much for watching this video and listening to me. Again, please let me know that you watch this video and that you understand what's going on. And I hope everyone has a great and blessed weekend. And I will see everyone virtually or in person bright and early Monday morning. Have a great day, everyone. Bye.